Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Impeccable Investor. In an era of globalization and modernization, making money has become an art. There have been different mediums present by which one could earn a handsome income. From providing your talents to the tertiary sector to working as a labor in the primary sector, all brings income. In this growing competition, one needs to keep pace of whatever he is doing. The ease that technology has brought, one could start investing young. The young blood could sow seeds in their young age and reap benefits in a later age. This video will explain 5 streams of income in which one could invest while they are young. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Without a doubt, dividend stock tops the list when it comes to investing. They are the best way to earn a massive amount of money with someone's expertise or help. In this modernized era, technology has made this demanding research easier. One could find good stocks so that an appropriate amount of money could be invested. From an early age, if one constantly invests money in the stock market, he's most likely to earn a good income. The process of investing itself has turned easier as in the market to get these sorts of opportunities. Now we have apps which make our work easier. One has to make an online account on the best brokerage website. It allows the user to create a portfolio and to invest for free. Dividend stock is a fantastic platform to invest and earn before you turn 30. Number 2. Rental properties. Another amazing investing option is rental properties. They can bring a huge amount of monthly income because the cash flow in this process is truly passive. One could make his work easier by getting a proper outsourcing agent who could handle affairs on his behalf. In this modern world, there are management companies who look after such affairs. Moreover, the online system has made investment easier in rental properties. There are a lot of ways to invest in rental properties. All of the investments are based on the investor's interest. However, the investor can buy a house and become landlord, or he or she can be a limited partner in residential or commercial properties. There are large development companies which help you earn a real-time income along with being the landlord, where one could invest as a partner. The range of investment could vary from multi-purpose property to commercial properties. These companies make it easier for the investor as they take care of the legalities. Not only this, but one earns profits as well as becoming a landlord. If you are looking for investment before 30, this is definitely your thing. Number 3. High-yield savings accounts and money market funds. High-yield savings accounts and money market funds are one of the most modernized ways of investment. If one doesn't have time to think about business processes and is not much concerned about the amount of money he or she will earn, then the best place to invest is in a high-yield saving account or money market funds. These types of accounts are located in banks and are insured by FDIC. The best part about such investments is that the investor could focus elsewhere, and without any risk, he could earn a good amount of money. Moreover, interest rates continuously increase because of inflation, so saving money this way will help the money percentage to increase and will provide a tension-free passive income. Number 4. Invest automatically in the stock market. Another way stream of income before turning 30 could be the investment in automatic stocks. One can invest in automatic stock markets in various ways. If he or she is not interested in picking up on the dividend stock market, the automatic investment can be done through a robo-advisor, making one's work easier. A robo-advisor can recommend the user the best ways to invest in the stock market and help them earn a strong amount of income according to their desired financial needs. To consult a robo-advisor, one has to create an account where the important information, what sort of investment, and all the requirements are registered. One such example is Betterment. It is a robo-advisor which automatically works and handles all of the work according to your requirements. One of the greatest things about robo-advisor is that it charges the lowest fees compared to a broker and works automatically according to the user's requirements and demands. Looking for an income opportunity before 30, this is what you are looking for. Number 5. Invest in a business. One of the best as well as a very risky way to earn a good amount of income is to invest in a business as a silent partner. There's a saying that goes like, the greater the risk, the higher the potential. Years ago, Lyft and Uber were also finding private investors, and now they are among those companies which are earning worth billions. We can reduce risk, but we can't avoid it because avoiding risk will end the earning. To reduce risk, one can invest small amounts in the many companies and then the money in small bonds. Nowadays, we can loan money for a business and get paid solid returns. With minimal working effort, one could guarantee a solid income for his upcoming future. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.